What's good, fam? Man, we back up in this thing. We got to get up out of Phoenix, baby, and I just pulled up to the shipper. Let me go run in here, figure out where I need to park at, because I'm on like a dead-end street, and I'll pick you back up and let you know we finna ride out to get up out of Phoenix, baby. It was fun while it lasted, but we got to go. Be right back. I'll tap in with you in a second.
Famous.
Yeah, really famous. What is that, Liz? What is it?
Those are the parts for
For the dump truck? Okay.
And for the city of Roswell.
Okay.
You should have the address, right?
Yeah, I got the address. That's good right there, boss. I'll get it tied down. All right, fam. We are loaded, baby, and it's time to get up this road. But we wait. They got to print me out the BOL, because you don't leave without that BOL. If they ain't already sent it to you, don't go nowhere, because that BOL is what you got to get signed to get paid. I told y'all that before in multiple videos. So waiting on the BOL. I'm at a place that works on garbage trucks, I guess you could say. They got the different parts and they fix it. They fixing right now like 3 or 4 trucks for the city of Phoenix. But I have parts that's back there that got loaded on the pallet, plus a little separate box. That's going to Roswell, New Mexico, baby. Yep, you heard it. We getting up out of Phoenix and we headed to New Mexico. We can't stay here too long, man. I came in yesterday. It was hot. Talking about the temperature read 110 degrees. I couldn't make it up. I didn't even want to be outside. It got so hot. Even the radio said turn off so it can cool down. It was hot. Don't want to be here no more. Phoenix, you did me good though. That tire issue we had yesterday, they got fixed and squared away from me, man. The tire was still good. Just I guess on them back roads I picked up a couple nails. One was still in the tire and one had like broke off in there. But they patched the boy up. Patched me up, threw the tire back on, and they only charged me $31, man. We was in and out of that thing. Man, so I appreciate you, Phoenix. You took care of your boy. Got a lot of good rest. And you know we like the night ride, but it's finna be some day ride, man, because we got to go 576 miles. It's all good. It's all good. We gonna get this thing to Phoenix. I can't drop off today, so we ain't in no rush. We just gonna cruise on up out this thing when they give me the BOL, and we just gonna get to the other end and chill and relax, because we can't drop off till in the morning anyway, because they're gonna be closed by the time we get there. But anyway, baby, I'm about to go get this BOL, and don't worry, I'm gonna let you ride with your boy. You know I got to, man. We got some day riding. We might even get a little day talking in. Who knows what's gonna happen. But either way it go, man, we finna get up out of here, drive this 576 miles, and I'm gonna tap in at you in a little bit. But we gonna see how this thing transpire and get to the other end and do our reconnaissance as we do, like you know we do. So we'll know where we going, and we just gonna get a hotel and chill out. But let me get this BOL and I'll tap back in with you in a second. Give me just a second. We are now in New Mexico, baby. Still rolling. Still got about 300 miles. But did you see what I just showed you? The back of that truck say, join the best team, 50 cents per mile. I don't know if I want to be on that team. I'm going to stay over here on this team. We got to take the dollar plus, maybe 95 cents if you saw the last video. But man, 50 cents a mile, I can't do it. I can't do it. Got to be the dollar. But anyway, yeah, man. We over in New Mexico, man. We got up out of Arizona. Man, I told you. It was hot. It was so hot you could feel the heat, even with the AC blowing. Even the radio said, turn off, it's too hot. It told me that yesterday when I was getting that tire issue fixed. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the last video. We had to get the tire repaired, and thank goodness, got it repaired like that, in and out. It was still good, I guess on the back roads or something when I was on my way to Arizona. Picked up like 2 nails. One was still in there. I saw it, and the other one was like broke off, and that's why I was losing tire pressure. They just patched it right on up, threw the tire back on the van for your boy. $31 later. later. We out of there. So yeah, they took care of your boy real nice and sweet. But yeah, that 50 cents a mile in the back of that truck, it won't work for me. It might work for them, I get it. You're getting in the game and all that. Everybody has different routes and different things. Not mad at nobody because I want everybody to get the bag however you gotta get it. But some of them companies, boy, that's kind of grimy right there. 50 cents a mile. We had one of the family members a while back when we was getting started saying that they was thinking about getting out of that game because they had just drove all over like certain parts of Texas, like Dallas and Rockwall area over in Austin and all that. And they had drove for like the whole day. And at 50 cents a mile, they had made less than what we made on one run, running to Dallas and back. And we did headed home. And that route paid like $4.50 or something like that. And they said they had been running for like 12 hours and only made 50 cents a mile. Nah, man. It works sometimes, but not all the time. But either way, we getting up the road, headed to New Mexico. And I remember something. I remember some people was like, why you stay at hotels? And I was like, man, I got to get some rest, especially after them long trips. Your boy has to get some rest. I want the body to fully rest. Plus, that's one of the treats for myself. Go get a hotel, get some good food in that area, because I always try the local food, because I'm a foodie. Don't worry about me. I know big bag, it's cool. I'm going to eat the good food. And so, I got there early enough, because it was early in the day. But as I came out later on that night, because it was still hot, I was just checking how cool it was, I saw a bunch of cargo vans at the hotel. Yep, them boys are getting some rest too. So it ain't just me. I'm not the only one going getting these hotels. There's other people too. But nah, fam, I just messing with y'all. But your boy, gonna get that hotel. I know when we talk about numbers, I mainly talk about gas. And I don't normally throw the hotel numbers in there. That's because you don't have to do hotels to be in this game. That's one of my luxuries. That's something I pay out my pocket. Yes, I do write it off on taxes. But that's one of my luxuries. I'm going to stay at a hotel after driving. I'm not sleeping in the van. I'll take cat naps in it, or if it ain't a lot of time between drop-offs and stuff, yeah, I might sleep in the van if it's like 4 hours to the drop-off because I've been driving all night. But nah, if I got like 8, 10, 11, 12 hours for drop-off, go and get that hotel. Yep. Go and get some good rest. But now, fam, we got a little less than 300 miles to go. We still headed on the way to New Mexico. Go to Roswell. Go talk to the aliens. See what's going on out there. Don't worry, your boy ain't gonna get abducted. I won't let it happen. But now, fam, get on up this road. I'm gonna pick you up a little once we get up there so you can see the little reconnaissance. And then guess what? We gonna go get another hotel. But yeah, I'll tap back in with you in a minute. Let me get on up this road.
Continue on West Pressure Road for half a mile.
Well, fam, we now made it. Did our reconnaissance. I know where we gotta go to. Now it's time to go chill and relax, get a hotel, get some food, cause your boy is hungry. But don't worry, after I eat, get this hotel, and get a little sleep, little night, little shut eye, ready to go night. Man, I'm gonna pick y'all up. Man, I was driving and I saw something on the road, on the side of the road. I don't think it was a deer. That thing was big. If it was a deer, it's the biggest deer I ever seen. I gotta see what kind of animals and wildlife they got here in New Mexico, because that thing was huge. But anyway, I digress. I'm about to go get some food, get this hotel room, and I'm gonna pick y'all up in the morning when we get ready to drop this thing off so we can get up out of New Mexico and go somewhere, baby. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick you back up in the morning. Until then, good night. Yeah, fam, we done. Finito is done, knocked out, and finished. Now I dropped that load, man, and just like I said, we dropped it off at another station that deals with garbage disposal. They had a couple trucks down, and the parts we dropped off, gonna get them trucks back out there, because somebody trash sitting out there stinky. Can't have that. Can't have nobody sitting with trash, man. But hey, that just goes to show you, the stuff we do out here, we might be the little guy, but we helping out in a big way. But hey, man, 576 miles done, and they paid your boy $1.04 a mile. The 600, and we finished, man. Top of the morning. I forgot to tell you, I told you good night last night, but good morning. Hey, man, it's time to get up out of here, fam. It's time to get up out of here. Because remember what I told y'all. When you drop off in these locations that's like almost in the middle of nowhere, because Roswell, even though it's a nice looking town, there's nothing around here. It ain't really nothing coming out of here. And I'm in between a couple of cities, and I got to choose. Got to make a decision. I'm in between Albuquerque, I got Amarillo, I got Lubbock, and I got El Paso. My heart is telling me El Paso, because when I see a lot of stuff when I'm sitting at the house in Houston, coming out of El Paso, but I'm going to be watching, but I got to skedaddle so I can position myself so we can get some more work, man, because if I just stay here, we not going to get nothing. But fam, I appreciate you for riding with your boy, man, and we is about to go find some more work, because don't worry, when I find out what it is, as always, you know I'm going to let you know. But hey, this bag is got, paperwork is already submitted, we good to go. Now I just got to strap in, load the GPS with El Paso, and start rolling. And watch that board as I go, man. And hopefully something pop up so I can just go ahead and pick it up as soon as I get there. Who knows? Something might pick up before I can even get up out of here. And tell me to go to Albuquerque or Amarillo. Who knows? But I won't know until I let you go and go get on this road. But yeah, I appreciate you riding with your boy, fam. As always. All the new people, go ahead. Don't join the fam. Come on over here. We ain't doing nothing over here but having a good time, making money, and figuring it out as we go. And fam, I appreciate all the comments. I love all the likes, the new subscribers, new family members. I appreciate y'all too. Best believe I'm still getting all these comments. I'm knocking them out as I see them, as I can get to them. But your boy be driving. Y'all want me to be safe, right? I can't text and drive and reply. But no, I see them, fam. I see them. And I promise you, I'm going to get to you. Just remember, we starting out and we learning together. So we going to get this bag, and it most definitely want you to get this bag. But I got to get up to this road, baby. So until the next video, I want all of y'all to like, share, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification button so you know when the next video drops. But until then, y'all stay blessed.